English that is actually used overseas. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 9. Responses to happy news. I got promoted. How would you reply? What would a native say? Congratulations. Congratulations. I passed the exam. What's a more natural reply? What would people usually say? Good for you. Good for you. I got a new job. What would friends say? What do people actually say? That's awesome. That's awesome. I finally bought a house. How could you keep it short? How would a native put it? Amazing. Amazing. I reached my goal weight. What would you say here? What's the natural response? Way to go. Way to go. I set a new personal best in the marathon. What's the most common reply? In everyday conversation? Nice job. Nice job. We had a baby. What's a natural reply? How would a native answer? I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy for you. I won the lottery. What if it's casual? What do people usually say? Lucky you. Lucky you. I bought a new car. What's a natural one-liner? What would you say in English? Good for you. Good for you. I'm getting married. Here's another common reply. What would you say? That's wonderful. That's wonderful. I passed the certification exam I'd been working toward. What's the short reply? How would a native respond? I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you. I'm going to study abroad. How would you show excitement? What do people actually say? Have an amazing time. Have an amazing time. I got a perfect score for the first time. How would you praise them? How would you say it? I knew you could do it. I knew you could do it. Today was my first day at work. Ready for one more? What's a native-like reply? That's great to hear. That's great to hear. My dream finally came true. What's a great way to finish? Ready for the last one? I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy for you. Good for you. Good for you. That's wonderful. That's wonderful. I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you. Have an amazing time. Have an amazing time. I knew you could do it. I knew you could do it. That's great to hear. That's great to hear. I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy for you. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.